Welcome to this 10-minute beginner yoga class for abundance. This is a hand-free, wrist-free, knee-free, prop-free, and inversion-free class. Let's begin by resting back. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your heart. Feel the support of the earth underneath you. And feel your breath moving underneath your hands. Going to begin by rolling to your right side. Knees bend at a 90-degree angle, arms straight out beside you. You're going to have your hands stacked, and then you're going to inhale, open to abundance. Exhale and rotate back close. So you're inhaling and opening into your twist, inviting in whatever form of abundance you wish to invite in. It might be an abundance of peace, connection, friendship, love, grounding. Clarity, wisdom. And then we're going to roll over and do the same thing on the other side. So same thing, legs are at a 90-degree angle. Hands are stacked one on top of the other, and you're going to inhale, roll open into the twist, and exhale, close again. Inhale, opening to abundance. Exhaling, rolling closed. And then from here, we're going to come up into standing. From standing, you're going to stand at the top of your mat, and you're going to step back with your right foot. You're going to hold on to your elbows. You're going to inhale, open, lift your bent elbows, holding on to them overhead. Bend your back knee, open your right hip forward, and then you're going to exhale, straighten both legs. Inhale, bend both legs. Exhale, straighten both legs. And we'll do that on the other side. So this time you'll take a step back with your left foot. And we're inhaling, opening to abundance. Exhaling, lowering down. Inhaling, opening to abundance. An abundance of health, financial abundance. Great for your hips and your shoulders. And then you're going to turn your toes so they face the long edge of your mat. Turn your left toes out, your right toes in. Sink down through your left sit bone. You're going to bend your left elbow over your bent knee. Take your right arm around. And then you're going to reverse it so both arms are straight over the back straight leg. So we'll exhale over the bent leg. We'll inhale over the straight leg. So this is side angle pose over the bent leg and reverse warrior over the straight leg. And then you're going to switch. So back left leg is straight. Sink down through your right leg. Bend your right elbow. Circle your left arm around. Side angle pose. Reverse over the straight leg. Reverse warrior. Exhale over your bent leg. Inhale over your straight leg. And then you're going to turn and face front. Turn your toes out. You're going to bring your elbows in. You're going to curl in like a turtle. And you're going to open up to abundance. So you're going to exhale, come in. Inhale, open. Exhale, in. Inhale, open. Exhale in. Inhale, open. Exhale in. Inhale, open. And one more here. Exhale in. Inhale, open. And that's a little goddess victory squat variation. That's regular goddess victory squat. And then we're going to come back down and do the twist again before Shavasana. Your knees will be at a 90-degree angle. Your arms are out to the side. Rest your side of your head on the ground. You're going to inhale, roll open into the twist. And exhale, roll back close. So you're inhaling, opening to abundance. Exhaling and rolling close. And then we'll do that on the other side. So knees are at a 90-degree angle again. Arms are out to the side. Head is resting on the ground. Inhale, roll open. Exhale, roll closed. And then you're going to come back and lie on your back for Shavasana. You can turn your palms up beside you in that receiving gesture here. And I'm going to sit up and read you a short poem. This poem is called Abundance by Amy Schmidt. It's impossible to be lonely when you're zesting an orange. Scrape the soft rind once and the whole room fills with fruit. Look around you. You have more than enough. Always have. You just didn't notice. So give yourself a thumbs up for finishing this class. Put I am abundant in the comments. Thank you so much for sharing this class with your friends and for subscribing to the channel. Go to melissawest.com/begin to receive the whole beginner challenge. And remember, our members get this ad-free in our membership community. I'm sending you much love from beautiful British Columbia. May your joy be as deep as our Pacific Ocean. May you be as rooted as the old growth trees in our forest. And may you be as strong as our mountains. Om Shanti. Namaste.